Hello everyone. I know this is kind of a strange setup. I don't normally film my videos while sitting on my living room floor, but I have just been really busy this week doing exciting things, but I wanted to film a video for you and I don't have the time to set up a nice pretty shot and do all the things, so I just decided to keep it casual. I hope you don't mind, but I'm very excited about this video because I am announcing the launch of my new holiday collection in my shop. So I have all the new products next to me. I am just so excited to share everything with you. And then I also want to show you how I package my orders. I thought this might be interesting for some of you because I know a few of you have told me that you have your own Etsy shops or online stores, and maybe this will give you some ideas for your own packaging, or it might just be interesting for everyone else to just see this side of my shop and how I package my orders. But first, I want to just talk about my holiday collection, and I'm gonna go through everything and show you all of the new products. So with this holiday collection, I really wanted to bring new products to my shop that would be perfect for you to gift to all of your friends and family for the holidays. So when I was brainstorming ideas for the collection, I was really trying to think of things that I myself would purchase as gifts or things that I would get myself. And that's exactly what I've created. I've come out with lots of new products that I just love so much, and I know that you're gonna love it too. So if you wanna get started on your holiday shopping, if you wanna buy handmade, unique, cute little things for everyone in your life, then check out my shop. I will have it linked down below. But I'm gonna start out and just show you everything new that's coming to the shop just because I'm so excited about it. And then we'll get into how I package my orders. So let's start with the product that I might be most excited about. It's hard to choose a favorite, but I really love this one. So I have designed washi tape. I have 3 new rolls. I am just so excited to have this in my shop. It's crazy. I love washi tape so much. You guys know, you watch my videos. I use it all the time, and it's crazy that now I have my own that I've designed. And like I said, I have 3 rolls. They coordinate well together, but also they're pretty on their own. So I have this star pattern. It's light pink with these red stars, and I love this a lot. Then I have a neutral, like brown color with a grid pattern on top. I probably use my neutral washi tapes the most, so I definitely wanted to bring a neutral pattern to my shop because it just goes with everything. And then I have this really pretty one that has some of my illustrations that you might have seen from some of my sticker sheets, and I've just arranged them in a pattern for this tape, and I really love it. I'm just so excited about these, and I hope that you guys are too. So yeah, washi tape, very exciting. So next I have 2 new sticker sheets, and one of them is this vintage inspired set of designs. I love the tones of this. I think the pinks are really pretty, and I'm just really happy with these illustrations that I did, and I can't wait to start using these in my journal. So I have this new sheet, and then I have this sheet, which you might recognize if you've been following me for a while. This is actually an old set of designs that I sold in my shop like last year maybe. I don't remember the last time I sold it, but I've had so many people request this specific design to come back to the shop, so I redrew the designs. They're cleaned up, they're a little bit better than last time, but it's the same colors, it's the same style of illustration, and I really love this too. So I'm really excited to be bringing back an old design, and then I also have this pretty new vintagey set of stickers. So next, if you need something to use your new washi tape and stickers in, I have these new mini notebooks that I have hand printed. So this rose design I actually carved into a stamp, and I stamped it on the covers of these little craft notebooks, and then the design is actually embossed. So it's like slightly raised and textured. It's really nice, and it's more durable than paint because it's not going to scratch off. But it's just these really pretty, like, minimal rose notebooks, and I love them. I use mini notebooks all the time. You guys have seen them in my videos, and these notebooks are really nice. They have blank pages and the craft covers, and I think these would be perfect to give as little stocking stuffers, or if you're looking for a gift idea for somebody. It would be really cute if you gave them a notebook and then maybe a roll of washi tape and even a sticker sheet. This would be such a cute little stationery set. So just an idea if you're looking for gift things for everyone in your life. But yeah, so new notebooks, and they come in the two colors. I have white and I have black, so you can choose whichever you like best. So next I have 3 new art prints that I am bringing to my shop. You guys know I love art prints. I have a small collection hanging on the wall above my desk of prints from a few artists that I love. So if you want to collect some art from me, I have these new prints that I love so much. So this first one is a little square print. It's about 5 inches by 5 inches, and it's this charcoal drawing that I did. Then I have this one, which is actually an older print. I sold this last year and a lot of you guys really liked it, so I decided to bring it back to the shop. It is a watercolor and ink little painting that I did. Very minimal and dainty, but I really love this as well. And then I have this one, which is another little dainty set of doodles. It's a small collection of treasures, and it's just really pretty. And I think that these all pair very well together. So if you want to do like a little gallery wall of my art, these look good together. But yeah, I have these new art prints, so those will be in the shop. So those aren't the only prints that I have. I also have this new set of mini postcard photo prints. So it comes in this cute little box, and it's a set of 5 of my photographs that I've made into mini postcards. So the front is the photo, and then the back has a postcard design. And of course, these can't be mailed as actual postcards, they're too small, but I thought they would be cute if you want to write a little note on the back and give it to somebody, or you could just hang these on your wall. You can tape them up and create a little gallery, or put them on your fridge or something, I don't know. I just think they're really cute, and they're some of my favorite photographs that I've taken. I really love photography, and I haven't done much with it other than do photography for my own website and Instagram. So this is kind of my first step, is selling a few of my photos as these little mini prints. I think that this would be another great stocking stuffer idea as well, just because I don't know, it's so small and cute. I know I made it, but I love it. I think it's really cute, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So I know that I keep saying I'm really excited about my products, but this one I especially love. So I have created these canvas tote bags, and they are made from organic cotton. I have hand dyed them and also hand printed them. So this design is the same rose that I carved the stamp of and stamped on the notebooks. I used that design for the bags, and then I dyed them in my kitchen sink. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw that whole adventure of figuring out how to dye these. But I love the color it turned out. It's such a pretty, like, dusty rose color, and I really love these. I use tote bags all the time. They're great for grocery shopping or for school, or to use as a purse. I don't know, whatever you use bags for, but I really love them. So the cool thing about these bags is that they are all unique. So when I dyed them, they all turned out a slightly different color. Some of them are a little bit lighter, some are a little bit darker, and they all have small variations in the dye. And then of course they are hand stamped as well, so they're not perfect, but I really like that you can see how handmade it is. I love the handmade touch. I think that's really special, so I hope that you guys don't mind the imperfections. I think it just makes it even more unique of a bag, but I have a very small quantity of these just because it took so long to do everything for the whole process of dyeing and printing, and then I had to iron them and do all of the things. So I only have a few of them, so if you really love them, I would go check them out now. But I do want to make more in the future and maybe do different colors and even different design options. But for this first batch, it's this pretty dusty rose bag with with also a rose design on it. So I have one last item to show you, and that is this vintage ephemera kit. So I know in my last video I released the digital ephemera kit that you guys have been loving, and thank you so much for everyone who has bought that. But that is just a collection of digital images to use in like collages or photos or things like that. But this is a physical ephemera kit. So if you want to have some of these things to use in your craft projects or your journal, then this is perfect because it's this little set of different things like book pages, there's newspaper, music sheets, even like a vintage ribbon and tags, old photos. I also included a few things that aren't vintage but just kind of go with everything, like this little mini jar of the stars that I always use, or the set of gold paper clips. There's some airmail envelopes in there, lots of fun things. So I'm really excited to be sharing some of my vintage ephemera collection with you, and I hope that you have fun using this stuff in your own projects. So that's the holiday collection. I am so happy to finally have this out in the world because I've been working on all of these things for such a long time now. It's really a relief to have it all done, but I hope that you love everything. I will have my shop link down below if you want to go check anything out, maybe do some Christmas shopping, or even just pick up something fun for yourself. And I just want to thank you for supporting me and supporting my art. Even just watching this YouTube video means the world to me, so I hope you know how much I appreciate you. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being interested in the things that I make. So I want to just go ahead and continue this video. I am going to show you how I package my orders. I'm taking lots of photos for my website, so I have just all of my products lying around, but let me pull out some stickers so I can show you how I'm going to wrap my orders. So when somebody orders stickers from my shop, I will put them in one of these little glassine envelopes, just like this. And then I always like to include a free sticker with every order. So I designed this new one for all of my holiday orders. It's a rose and it says love and magic. And this one is actually on clear vinyl, which is different than most of my stickers. The rest of my stickers are on opaque matte vinyl, but I wanted to try something new, and I had this little guy printed on clear vinyl, so it's perfect to like stick to your notebook or phone case or something like that, and it'll look really nice. So this comes free in every order, so I'll just pop that in there, and then I fold over the top, and I will seal this with some washi tape. So then for the holidays, I want to wrap all of my orders so they arrive already looking like a gift if you want to give them to somebody, or just as a fun surprise for yourself. So then I will take some craft paper and I'm going to wrap this. And I have these new stickers for my packaging, so you will receive your order with one of these, but I will take one of these and seal this, and then fold the edges over on the back, and use some more washi tape to tape that down. And then I'm going to tie baker's twine around it. So I have this giant spool of baker's twine that I got for all of my orders, but I'm just going to wrap it around. So this is the holiday packaging. I think it's really pretty. I love how minimal it is. I was really going for a subtle holiday theme. I didn't want it to be too Christmassy, and I think it turned out really well. So it's already wrapped and perfect to give as a gift, or it'll just be a fun thing for you to receive in the mail if you are keeping it for yourself.